Hello everyone and welcome to EY Belts and Apparel. Thank you for joining us. Today I'll go over the steps to properly adjust the EY Multipurpose Strap and Leash Kit. The first thing you're going to want to do is, if you have the strap long, you're going to want to shrink it. To do that, you're going to hold the metal slide, take the long portion of the strap, and push it through. Pull this portion all the way until you reach your desired length. For today, we'll make it approximately 1 foot. With the excess, you're going to pull it through from the top, like so, leaving a little bit of room right here. Then, on this bottom portion, the inside, you're going to take this strap and you'll pull it all the way through. And you can pull the top nice and tight and adjust the bottom a little more. Now you have your strap adjusted to approximately 1 foot. Now with the excess strap, there are a couple of different ways you can do it. You can roll it, fold it, or put it in your pocket. But for today, I'll simply fold it over itself, like so. Till I reach the end. Using the strap keeper, you could take the end of the strap, put it through both of the metal D-rings, push it down against the edge, take the end of the strap, put it through the second D-ring, and then pull that nice and tight. The newer the strap is, it may take a little breaking in, but you can cinch these down pretty well and it'll hold everything in place. Now, to extend the strap, you'll just reverse the process. You'll start by removing the strap keeper, letting the extra material come out, holding the metal slide, give yourself a little extra room. On the inside, you'll pull this strap all the way out till you reach your desired endpoint. And then on the outside portion, you'll pull that through. Then with the bottom end, you'll pull it in, and then you have extended your strap to its longer point. You can either close this or leave it open, that's up to you. But that is how to adjust the multi-purpose strap and the leash kit.